and mouth. Thank you for keeping us all safe and healthy during this pandemic. Attention passengers. Please be advised all passengers are required to wear facial coverings on all SEPTA modes, stations, and platforms. Facial coverings should cover your nose and mouth. Thank you for keeping us all safe and healthy during this pandemic.
Attention please, all passengers. Trains are subject to delays of up to 15 minutes en route to destination. Passengers are advised that delay times may increase or decrease at any time. Attention please, all passengers. Trains are subject to delays of up to 15 minutes en route to destination. Passengers are advised that delay times may increase or decrease at any time.